So for the lips, we're gonna be doing a nice nude tone. Now, a little tip for girls that are darker in complexion, whenever you're using nudes, it's awesome to line your lips first with a nice chocolate tone. So we're gonna be using the Revlon ColorStay Lipliner in chocolate. I don't have much of a cupid's bow, so I like to fake the funk. So now when I get here, I'm gonna line just below it and create like a little X. As opposed to going straight across here, then my lips would just have no shape. And down here, I like to bring it up just a little higher than my actual lip line, because we're gonna let these colors kind of blend into each other. As you can see, look, this is already starting to look like a really pretty color.
I'm gonna be using the Revlon ColorStay Overtime Lipcolor in Never Ending Purple. Really love adding a really fun lip into summer because I like to match my handbags or my shoes. I think it's a really good way to tie in your makeup to your wardrobe.
I'm gonna finish off with the lips using the ColorStay Overtime Lipcolor in Bare Maximum, which is cute because you would think it would be Bare Minimum. No, 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 Bare Maximum. It's a long-wearing lip color that stays on, and the cool part about it is that there's two sides to it. We have our color, and then we have a top coat that locks in the moisture. Double the cool!
So I like to just pat it into the middle. And just a couple at the top. And then I actually like to use my finger. So now it's nice and blended, it's soft, it's powdery, it's luxurious, honey.
You want to wait about a minute to let the color dry before you go in with the top coat.
As you can see, it gives you that really nice glossy finish. All right, so this is the complete look, and as I said earlier, it is a long wear look, so it's perfect for the girl on the go. It'll take you from day to night, just like that, with no smudging.
So we've got a nice, neutral looking lip.
The longwear foundation and the pop of color on the lip make any summer outfit stand out.